Now that it's deployed, I'm going to go to my URL. You can actually just open this page, reload this page. I'm going to reload this, and the items are gone because I have deleted them in my local server. Actually, nothing was added there. So let's inspect. So right click, inspect, go to console tab in Chrome, and you'll see there's an object printed in the console. Now this comes from here because the call we made was successfully completed, and this data is printed in the console using the console.log function, and this is what it returns. Now we're gonna look at what this means. This is an object. It came back to us as in the response we received an object, and the temperature is here, temp. Now if you look at the website where we fetch the data, there's an explanation for the temp, and it says that the temp is in Kelvin type, so it's not Fahrenheit. So here's the description of the data in the object. Main temp, temperature, unit default is Kelvin. So we need to convert this Kelvin into Fahrenheit, and then we're going to print it in the page. Now I'm going to Google Kelvin to Fahrenheit formula. I'm going to write this formula in jQuery in JavaScript. Basically, Fahrenheit equals, let's do this. Let's copy this. Here, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to comment this. Now, what variable Fahrenheit equals 9/5. The K value is going to be the main temperature from the data. Now, what's the hierarchy for that? Let's go back here to the page. As you can see, object. So object is data. Data is the parameter, right? So data dot main dot temp. So that's the temperature. So our temp equals data dot main dot temp. Now I'm going to place this here, minus 273 plus 32. Now we have our Fahrenheit temperature calculated, and I would like to print this somewhere in the page. Therefore, we can do it here in the body. We're going to do this way. Let's put a div here, div tag. Let's give it an ID. ID equals, we're going to access this tag using this ID. Let's say location temp. Okay. Now here I'm going to access this div and change its inner HTML. So let's do this. $, pound sign, because so this is a jQuery rule. If you're trying to access an ID element by its ID, you have to start with pound sign and then its ID. Location temp dot HTML, and here we're going to pass in F. Actually, let's do it this way. Let's make it nicer. Or location temperature variable, which is going to be Chicago, and then F value, the actual temperature value, and then Let's just put an F as Fahrenheit. And we're going to pass this into HTML function, which is going to change the inner HTML of this div. And let's reload the new version. So I'm going to again go back to my PHP Cloud, click that one. I'm actually going to show you how you can run PHP in your local server, so you don't have to upload your code every time. It's easier that way. Cloud PHP version 1.04.